Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On the menu today, we got a delicious stuffed oven baked red snapper. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we have a whole fish, fresh from my local seafood market. It's been scaled, gutted, and the fins have also been trimmed. We're gonna cut 3 diagonal slashes on each side of the fish. This will help the fish to cook evenly and will give you an opportunity to get the seasoning into the flesh. We have some chopped spinach, thyme, okra, lemon, onion, chopped scallion, butter, and minced garlic. We got some Johnny seasoning salt, lemon pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. We're going to wrap our fish in aluminum foil, but before we do that, let's coat the aluminum foil with some sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, vegetable oil or olive oil will do the trick, but you don't want to skip this step, because if you do, your fish will likely stick to the aluminum foil after baking. Feel free to pile on the remaining herbs and vegetables that are left over from stuffing the fish. Alright, let's try it. Perfectly seasoned, slightly nutty taste from the sesame oil.